environmental destruction. If we were more aware, we wouldn't see stuff like deforestation, pollution, all these animals being extinct, all these variants of plants and flowers and greeneries just going extinct due to profits, due to money. Once all this nature is depleted, can we eat money? I don't think we can. And we are destroying this only planet that we have to live on for something that was created by someone who wanted to control you. Why can't we live in an equilibrium with this planet when it's the only one we got?